ready? You sure you want to do this, Scorpion?
You think I'm Scorpion? I'm much worse.
Who do you think is actually watching these?
Maybe someone.
Well, bye, someone.
What is happening to me? I gotta fix whatever this is right now. Dr. Banner, you found a way to suppress mutating DNA.
If you see me like this, I'll run.
You ready?
We're faced with a threat that can be anyone. You're the only one who's immune to it. You're the only one who can sense it.
That's cool. You okay, kid? You're not gonna get away with this.
But he might.
I didn't know you could get that big.
You're losing it, kid.
Let me see, mate.
If you're gonna do something, you better do it now.
Let's end this on a high note, huh?